Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make medium magic stones in Mu Online. These powerful items are crucial for enhancing your crafting success. We'll cover everything from gathering the right materials to the straightforward crafting steps. You'll also learn about their important uses and some helpful tips to make your crafting journey smooth and efficient. Let's get started on boosting your in-game progress. To begin crafting medium magic stones, your first step is gathering the correct materials. You'll need excellent items, which are a specific type of gear in Mu Online. Each of these excellent items must have a minimum level of +7 and at least a +4 additional option. Meeting these precise requirements is crucial for a 100% successful combination at the Chaos Goblin. Once you have your materials, head to the Chaos Goblin machine, typically found in Noria or Laurentia. Interact with the Chaos Goblin and choose the Magic Stone combination option. Carefully place your excellent item, meeting all the specified requirements, into the combination window. Then, simply initiate the combination. Upon success, which is 100% with correct materials, you will receive 8 medium magic stones. Medium magic stones are incredibly valuable, primarily used to significantly increase the success rate when crafting level 2 wings. Each stone you use adds a substantial 20% to your combination's success rate. The crafting process itself is always successful if you use the correct materials, yielding 8 stones per attempt. You can conveniently stack up to 50 of these powerful stones in your inventory, making them easy to manage for your future crafting endeavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.